Brief, accurate and important news of today's Saturday. Honorable Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, Acting Minister of Interior, said at a gathering of scholars and philanthropists in Kabul, "With unity we will succeed in the field of construction and reconstruction as well as in the military and political fields." Honorable Haqqani adds that Afghanistan has become self-sufficient in the past 2 years and has made a lot of progress. The Department of Economic Affairs has complimented the World Bank's report of Afghanistan's economic situation, in which the developments in the economic sector have been shown. The DPD said that if the international community starts positive interaction, removes sanctions, and frees the frozen assets of Afghanistan, the country will make full progress in the economic sector. The Minister of Interior refused the claim of Amnesty International about the installation of security cameras in Kabul and said that the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan is committed to protecting the security and rights of its citizens. According to the decree of the leadership of the Ministry of National Defense, all the forces of this ministry must wear military uniforms while performing their duties. The Ministry of Water and Energy says that 137 projects have been started out of 411 projects of dam to control flowing water in the country, which was planned for 5 years. Citizens welcome to the efforts of the Islamic Emirate better management and implementation of the monetary policies for increasing the value of the Afghani currency against foreign currencies. The Afghan Red Crescent says that last Friday they donated food to 300 flood-affected families in Maidan city, the capital of Maidan Wardak province. Each family received 100 kilos of flour, 24.5 kilos of rice, 10 liters of oil, 8 kilos of beans, 5 kilos of sugar, 2 kilos of salt, and 1 kilos of tea and a packet of biscuits.